guys, this is Zoe again. Welcome back to my channel. And today, I'll be drinking Buckley's.
Because somebody's sick.
Buckley's. Buckley's, I tell ya. Buckley's. Mommy, say it again. Come in front of the camera and say it again.
No, I look terrible. Because she has a cold.
You heard that? I have a cold, and I don't like it. Oh, it stinks. Here, you guys smell it. I know, right? It stinks. Oh my god, that taste. 1, 2. Can I have water?
Sure.
In my brand new cup. Now that in my brand new cup. Make sure it's ready. As soon as I swallow it, I'm gonna drink some of it. Okay? As soon as I swallow the Buckley's, I'm gonna have some. Okay? Is that fine? Wait, what about the top for it?
Oh, you want the top too? Is it still recording?
Yeah, it's still recorded.
Oh my goodness. I don't know if it's gonna leak or not. Oh, you have to drink it from down here.
Okay, let me try. It's still spilling.
I don't know what to do. You got the hang of it?
You gotta put your hand on it so it doesn't spill. I don't know about that, but whatever. Hand.
I don't want to be on camera.
3.
Face the camera so your
3,
viewers can see.
2, 1. Water!
Not a lot.
Airborne. Can I have airborne now? Please, please. These are little oranges that are actually medicine. They're little airborne. So you can get them at Walgreens. Those are so good. That's for you? You love that Barbados cup, don't you?
Yeah. I like to drink in style.
Okay, guys. If you guys didn't like this video, then you don't have to put a like on it. Trust me, I didn't like it. If you guys think this video is funny, don't subscribe. I don't want to see you. No. If you like this video, put a thumbs down.